Hi, and thank you for joining me for this video demonstrating how to create a student success plan in TAC. The first thing you need to do is log into TAC. Once you have logged in, please navigate to the Interventions dropdown on the top navigation bar and choose SSP Plans. To create a new plan, click on the square icon with a plus sign in the middle, located in the upper right-hand corner of the Student Success Plan screen. When the Success Plan Entry Student Search pop-up appears, search for the name of the student for whom you intend to create the Success Plan. Do this by entering any of the search criteria listed. The more information you provide, the more specific your search results will be. When you perform this search, only student names on your roster or assigned to your activity code will be part of the search. The system will not search all student names in eSchool for your information. After entering your search criteria, click Search, then check the box next to the name of the desired student, and click OK. Clicking OK should take you to the SSP Plan Detail page. On this page, you must choose a reason before entering any other plan information. To access the Reasons screen, click on the Reasons button. In the Success Plan Reasons screen, enter the plan's start date for the entry date of the Student Success Plan, and choose a reason from the drop-down list. The exit date is appropriate for success plans whose duration is finite, such as 1 month, 8 weeks, etc., or linked to a specific date, such as the end of a quarter or semester. After the exit date, the plan will no longer be considered an active plan. Use of the exit date field is not an expectation during the 2018-2019 exploration year for student success plans. Once you have chosen the appropriate entry date and reason, click Save. After saving a reason, you will return to the SSP Plan Detail page. You will now be able to enter a plan date, the date you are creating the Student Success Plan, select a plan type, academic, post-high school, or social-emotional behavioral, and enter a plan title. During our first year of exploration, we will focus on using the plan date, plan type, and title fields, which are required to create a Student Success Plan or SSP. Additional fields on the SSP Plan Detail page, completion date, qualification, completion notes, status, can be used at staff discretion. Once you have populated the required 3 fields, please click Interventions to access the next set of required information, SSP Interventions. In the SSP Intervention screen, the following fields are required: intervention, start date, and frequency. While role is not a required field, please choose your role from the available drop-down menu. If you have more than one role in the drop-down, please select the role most relevant to the plan you are creating. When choosing a frequency, you will be asked to identify additional information if you choose selected dates or weekly. During our first year of exploration, we will focus on using the intervention, start date, and frequency fields. These fields are required to create the Student Success Plan. Additional fields on the SSP Intervention screen, level, completion date, and sensitive checkbox, can be used at staff discretion. once you have populated the required 3 fields, please type anecdotal or background information into the general comment text box and enter the general comment date. Please note that the general comment date must be after or on the plan start date. To save the information in the SSP intervention screen, please click the disk icon in the upper right-hand corner. To view the Student Success Plan you just created, go back to the Interventions drop-down menu in the navigation bar across the top of the TAC screen and choose SSP Plans. In this screen, you will see a list of all students for whom you have created a plan and whose plan is still active. If in the future you would like to add a plan for a student for whom you have already created a plan, navigate to the SSP Plans page and click the plus sign in the Add Plan column for the desired student. If in the future you would like to add an intervention or interventions for an existing plan originated by you, navigate to the SSP Interventions page and click the plus sign in the Add Intervention column for the desired plan. If you would like to see a list of student success plans for your students created by other teachers, navigate to the SSP Plans page under Interventions from your TAC homepage. Check the box next to Show Plans for Other Teachers, then click Refresh. Finally, if you would like to see a list of interventions for your students implemented by other teachers, navigate to the SSP Interventions page under Interventions from your TAC homepage. Check the box next to Show Interventions for Other Teachers, then click Refresh. This concludes the demonstration of how to create a student success plan in TAC. If you have any questions, please consult our internal MTSS at ETHS website for support resources, including a list of staff versed in success plans. You can visit our internal MTSS webpage by opening a new tab, going to your Google Apps, choosing Sites, and clicking on ETHS MTSS. On this site, you can find foundational information on MTSS at ETHS, information about PBIS, frequently asked questions as generated from all staff meetings, and resources as mentioned above. Thank you for joining me in this video, and go Kits!